Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have a secret deal on this 40-piece screwdriving bit set. Now, this is secret because we're not allowed to say the brand name on camera, but if you look closely, you'll probably see it. Now, why don't they want us to say the name? Well, the manufacturer, who's been in business for over 100 years, has never allowed anybody to sell it at our super low price. Now, we're gonna get to the price a little bit later, but let's talk about this. Now, this set is going to allow you to tackle any DIY project that comes along because you've got every bit imaginable, and it will work with just about any drill or modular screwdriver set. It's got everything you need. Now, a few years ago, you would never catch me trying to fix anything around my house, but the recent economy has made it difficult and I need to stretch my money. So having a kit like this allows me to do more than I've ever been able to do. Now let's talk about what's inside. It features a patented bit bar design that allows you to remove and replace any bit easily. Now, this famous brand also has other sets, and they've made it completely modular so you can connect this to other cases, which really is a great space saver. But then what also is really cool is inside you can customize and redesign the contents to put things where you want them. And I especially like the little to-go case. Now this is really great because you can put your most used bits inside of it, and you could put it in a tool bag, your pocket, and everything you need is always right at hand. Now there's a lot of pieces. It's got a ton of common and some not so common bits. So this really is going to be your go-to case. And we have a listing of every piece on our site. Now let's get to the price. I said we have a phenomenal deal. We do. This is currently on sale at Amazon for $17, and you're not gonna pay anywhere near that. Plus, when you buy more, you save more, and this makes an excellent gift. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab a set or two before we sell out.